Schluter KERDI drain adapter kits are used to convert clamping ring drains to integrated bonding flange drains when removal of the clamping ring drain is not practical. Here's how to do it in conjunction with the Schluter KERDI Shower ST prefabricated shower tray. Remove the clamping ring from the installed drain. Be sure to save the bolts for the installation of the adapter ring. Align the bolt pattern of the clamping ring with the matching punch-outs in the adapter ring. Punch the matching inserts out through the stainless steel adapter ring. Apply a continuous 1/4 inch to 3/8 inch bead of Schluter KERDI fix to the underside of the adapter ring. Align the holes in the adapter ring with the bolt holes in the installed drain and place the adapter ring on the installed drain flange. Reinsert and tighten the bolts using a crossing pattern to create even compression of the gasket. Bolts are to be finger tight plus 1/4 turn. Do not over-tighten, as this may warp the adapter ring and result in leaks. The adapter flange will be inserted into the adapter ring and must sit flush with or slightly below the surface of the KERDI Shower ST. Therefore, depending on the height of the installed clamping ring drain, it may be necessary to raise the elevation of the substrate prior to installation of the tray. A polystyrene foam panel, tile backer board, or other means may be used to raise the floor. In this video, installation of a polystyrene foam panel will be demonstrated. Polystyrene foam is lightweight, easy to cut, and may be used over both plywood and concrete substrates. Be sure not to use a moisture-sensitive underlayment such as plywood in applications over concrete, particularly young concrete or concrete on grade that is subject to moisture migration. Any leveling of the floor must be done prior to the installation of the panel. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the substrate using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notched trowel. Place the foam panel and solidly embed in the mortar. As demonstrated in the KERDI Drain with KERDI Shower ST video, check the underside of the panel to ensure that full coverage and support are achieved. Apply unmodified thin-set mortar to the underlayment using a 1/4 inch by 3/8 inch square or U-notched trowel. Place the KERDI Shower ST tray and solidly embed in the mortar. As demonstrated previously, check the underside of the tray to ensure that full coverage and support are achieved. Apply thin-set mortar to completely fill the step in the shower tray. Press the adapter flange firmly into the mortar to ensure full support. Clean the excess mortar from the top of the bonding flange. The clamping ring drain has now been converted to an integrated bonding flange drain, and the shower base is ready to receive the Schluter KERDI waterproofing membrane.